So hello guys, let's see if I can do this in one take. This is like part 2 with regards to the outdated navigation on the Skoda Superb 2017 model. In case you don't know, it's a little bit hidden, but you can actually update the navigation software yourself. You don't need to bring it to an auto dealer or repair shop to do it. Skoda has this web page online where you can do it. So you need to have the original SD card. It needs to be original Skoda card. You cannot use anything as far as I know. And yeah, in my case I have brought up a screen here of one of my older laptops which has an SD card reader, and I'm gonna see if I can get that SD card to work. Let's see. There. Like this. The card should come up automatically on your laptop. If you get an error saying that the file is corrupted or something like that, then the SD card is corrupted and cannot be used. Now these SD cards have a specific format, so you cannot use it otherwise. So now I inserted the SD card, which is a Skoda card, into my laptop, and then you go to this website here, which is updateportal.skoda-auto.com. And here you will be faced with this page here where you can input your car's serial number. Here is the VIN number of the car, and then you do a search. This is the first time I'm doing it, so I hope everything will work okay. Now your card will be labeled with some regions. Let's see what was on mine. Mine said Europe 1, CV22 2017, KT 2217, KW 2217. I don't know how big the SD card is, but so in my case, you can see the region that you belong to on the screen here now. So I guess if you want a bigger one, it's apparently you can update the radio stations as well. Download new data. So let's see, ECE 2026. It's just Europe 1. Now I actually just need, I think I just need this one here. So this is the one I will be needing, called ECE 2. Uh, 6.8 gigs. I guess we'll just pause and wait a bit. So I just want to say, while I'm waiting for the other download to finish, I'm doing a backup of the original card. So copying the whole maps folder out, just in case something goes out. Because the SD card I have is only 14 or 15 gigs, maybe it's 16 gigs with the changes. So I'll just back it up just in case. So once you downloaded the zip file, you should have a zip file on your computer, which you need to unpack first. So we'll do that. Getting into the home stretch on the unpacking now. There. Now it has finished unpacking, and you get the whole archive is now a folder instead, and you double click on that folder and you will see it contains two files. This is the checksum file to verify it's actually the correct one. It's just a text file with a checksum thingy. And then you also have the maps folder, which is identical to the one you already should have on your SD card. So if you open that, you see it has the same. So basically what you will be doing is you will since we already backed up the SD card, and this is from 2017, I will basically go in and I will delete those. Do not format the card, it will destroy the file system on it. So we'll start with this. It seems like the card is locked. I'll unlock it first. So after you unlock the card, it's an SD card, there's like a small nudge on the left hand side of it. You just pull that upwards so it's in open mode. After that you can go in and you should be able to delete the maps folder on the SD card with all its contents. Don't worry, you already have a backup of it if you did like me and took a backup. So it's almost finished deleting now. In case you wonder, I paused the recording so it doesn't take so long for you guys to watch it. Some of the files are really huge, and yeah, those are probably the database files. There, now I have deleted that, and I can go into the Skoda folder, and I can basically, you copy the whole folder, copy, then you bring it over here and you paste it. Hopefully it should have enough space. I think it has. Let's check. Properties. That's 6.95 gigs. So in other words, there is something missing from it, but it's fine. I probably have a more complete map on the other one. Let's see. There's actually none of the files there that is like 13 or 14 gigs. So most likely what they did is they have shrunk the size of the databases to what you only need. And yeah, basically it is copying over everything to the SD card now. So, coming on the copy now. That took a while. I did notice that on the website where you download the thing is, you can also go to the bottom. You can download the radio station logos for the countries that you want in the Union. And if you want a complete setup of everything, then you probably need to make a new SD card. It may be that you just need to format it in a special way. But alas, I haven't done that here. I only moved everything over like this. So this is the updated maps on the SD card. So the next step will be to go to the car and try and see if it will load. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm in the car now. It's freezing cold. So in theory now, I have updated this card with the latest version that you saw me download. So for me, it goes into SD2 slot on the dash here. Let's see. And it seems to find something it recognizes. Let's see what it does with it. If I was to guess, these SD cards are formatted as FAT32, simply. And that's the only requirement, as far as at least I think it is. I didn't check it on my computer, I should have done that. Okay, so I do have maps. And let's see if we can put a route. I don't have. Let's see. Let's just see if it takes it.
Rutene beregnes. Velg en rute. Målet ligger I viss retning.
So it looks like it's working with my locals. Now let's see. I'm going to change it. With the plan. Stop. On the mall.
Rutene beregnes. Velg en rute. Ruten inneholder bomveier. Målet ligger I viss retning.
So this actually works now. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you update the navigation on your Skoda. You don't need to pay a fancy fee to some kind of retailer. You can do this yourself if you have a computer and an SD card reader. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.